Taking a break can be scary, but I use this as an opportunity. Instead of viewing it as time lost, I use it to learn new skills, and one of them is trading and investing to generate passive income over time. Hi everyone! In this video, I will talk about how I made the most out of my career break, the steps that I took to learn trading and investing, how I used this period to generate income with returns that grew from 1% to 7% every month. If you have recently been laid off or are in between jobs, or simply trying to make this career break a productive one, this video is for you. If you are new to my channel, my name is Amelia Loh, and I talk about career and money-related topics such as investing, finance, and saving for retirement. With 2 decades of marketing experience specializing in digital marketing and campaign marketing, I am now using YouTube to share my insights on marketing, finance, and investing. This video is for education and entertainment purpose. I am not providing any financial advice or investment advice. Please consult a professional before making any financial decision. And this video is not sponsored by any of the companies mentioned. I was initially very worried on what this break meant for me in terms of my career, but more importantly, my financial stability. However, I quickly saw the importance of investing in myself. I wanted to do something that is flexible, based on my own terms, and yet generate income over time. Investment and trading tick all the boxes. My trading journey started in July of 2024. Like many others, I first learned from YouTube videos, but that was not enough. And therefore, I attended a series of webinars hosted by online school specializing in investing and trading. But I did not enroll immediately. Instead, I spoke to friends who have taken the course to understand if they have benefited from the course or even profited after completing the course. The feedback was positive, and therefore I enrolled in the online course. Over the next 6 months, I created a study regime of dedicating at least 4 to 6 hours a day to study investment basic, trading strategy, market trends, and even more. While studying, I opened a brokerage account with Interactive Brokers, IBKR, which took approximately 2 weeks to approve. And I made sure to execute the trades only upon completing the course for that strategy, just to minimize mistakes. Being an analytical person, applying what I have done previously as a marketer to my trades, I created a spreadsheet to achieve 3 things. Firstly, to understand what is my returns on a monthly basis. Secondly, analyzing the trades that have done well and what those strategies were. And finally, documenting all my trades. Diving deeper into the spreadsheet, it has 4 tabs. The first tab consists of the summary tab that contains key information, namely my initial investment, my returns on a monthly basis, and the profit and losses for the month. The profit and losses are auto-populated based on the formula that I've embedded in the cell that pulls the data from the next tab, which documents all the trades that I've taken. The second tab consists of all the trades that I've taken and contains key information such as the date of the trade, the expiry date of the trade, my planned premium, and the actual premium. And why I've included my planned and actual premium is to understand what is my conversion rate So for an example, a cash secured put conversion should be approximately 80%. So for every $1,000 that I am supposed to receive in premiums, I should be getting at least 800. And if I'm not, that's where I'll do a further analysis. And the third tab consists of the trades that I plan to take, but I do need to check a little bit more before I execute those trades. And finally, the last tab consists of the notes that I've jotted down from the course that I've taken. In August of 2024, I executed my first trade. And I can still recall how that experience was a scary one for me because I have never executed any trades before. However, I saw a positive return of 4% on my first trade. Well, it was a small win. It was an exciting one for me because it proved that it is possible to generate income. As I executed more trades and applied what I have learned, my returns gradually grew from 1% to 7% every month. But of course, I made mistakes. And one of the more memorable mistakes was executing a Jade Lizard strategy on the stock with upcoming earnings. And I made losses. However, every mistake is a learning journey for me. Well, there is a saying that practice makes it perfect. For me, practice makes it better. While studying, at times I became too engrossed and passionate that I forget to take breaks. Hence, I believe it is important to take breaks to recharge and refuel. For an example, on Saturdays and Sunday, I will do anything else except studying, investing, and trading. Another avenue that have strengthened my trading knowledge is the online community specializing in trading and investing that I've joined. It is a community consisting of investors, traders, or students who will post questions about their trades or even share trades which have profited consistently. A couple of strategies that have worked for me so far includes cash secured put and bull put spread. So what is cash secured put strategy? It is a trading strategy where investors and traders generally earn an income while waiting to purchase the stock at a lower price. It involves selling a put option while keeping cash in reserve if being assigned. To dive deeper and to give you an example, I sell a put option on a stock that I want to purchase. In exchange, I receive premium, or also known as income. If the stock price drops below the strike price, I am obligated to purchase 100 shares per contract at expiry. If the stock price is above the strike price, my option expires worthless and I get to keep the premium. The first trade that I executed was based on cash secured put strategy on Nvidia shares. So Nvidia share price was at $113 and the strike price that I set was at $105. The premium that I expect to receive is $5.50 per share or $550 for one contract. And the capital that I need to set aside if I get assigned is $10,500. If Nvidia share price drops below 105, I will need to pay $10,500 to purchase the shares. However, if Nvidia share price is above 105 at expiry, I get to keep the $550 premium. While I generated income through selling put options, it is important to never sell naked put options. This means that I had to set aside $10,500 to purchase Nvidia shares if I have been assigned. Now that 6 months have passed, I feel that I finally have control over my financial future of creating passive income over time. Have you thought about creating additional income? What's stopping you? Let me know in the comments below.